nag-live na. At mamaya ay may gagawin na ako. Sa silent ko na lang siya, Ma'am Jo. Kamusta, Ma'am Jo? Nagdaan ako doon, naka-silent ka na. Kagabi, bago ako matulog. Thank you, Sip Data. Oh, okay. After 25 days, I'm free. Ah, wow. Wow. You have a work? Sip Data. But the other love, you speak Tagalog. Okay lang yan. Thanks sa support mo. Kaya nga, mamaya silent na ako after nito. Kasi, may gagawin pa ako. Sinimulan ko na kasi sayang oras. Gusto kong habaan siya kahit mga 9 hours siguro. Kasi nga, para hindi na ako nagla-live sa gabi. Gusto kong agahan siya, alas 7 o alas 8 na umaga. After 365 days, I am coming to meet you in the... No. Are you okay? You coming to the Philippines? Oh, almost 1 year and 365 days. Ayun nga, almost 1 year. Ano pa sinabi ko? Grabe ka talaga. Ayaw nito 365 days is 1 year. You invited me, definitely I come there. Oh, you coming to my to our house, but our is small. You stay in the hotel, I can meet you there. I come and my husband. Send me your boat. Oh no, I have no boat. Wala kayong amo. Paspasan niyo live, makuha yung oras niyo. Kaya nga, oo, Ma'am Jo Pearl. True. Kasi minsan, Ma'am Jo, kaya ako yung kasi mas inuuna ko muna yung maglinis muna para konti na lang gagawin. Para nakaharap kasi ako. 6 dogs, yes. I have a 6 dog, but she already taking a bath with my husband outside. Hello, Dines Kumara. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Wala naman. Hindi naman ako nag-aamo kasi sa bahay ng mga magulang ko to, kaya ako ang kaya tagalinis lang. Thank you. Please like our live, guys. Thank you so much. You have rich, adopt me. No, I'm not a rich. I'm not doing I'm not doing this whitey if I'm rich. I have no money this time. I need the money to pay our bills here. You have 6 dogs, so you are rich. No, I am not rich because of my 6 dogs. I'm not a rich. Sip data. Kami kasi lakas talaga. Kami kasi takas lang sa live pag may amo. Kaya nga, Ma'am Jopert, at least kahit pa salit kayo mag-live, okay. Paalam, take care. Okay, Chief Data, paalam and goodbye. Take care also and God bless to you. Yun nga, Ma'am Jo Pearl. At least nakaka-live kayo.